Look what I've got back. YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Yes, look what I have back in my collection. My old Hoover. Not really, she wasn't mine at all, but a very similar model that I used to own. So this is a 1986 Hoover Junior U1206. And as you have seen in my channel, if you go right back to when I first started this channel, you will see a similar model of this, fourth or the fifth video up. I was dressed very inappropriately. Hoover Junior U1206. It was a sad ending for that one really, because unfortunately the bag holder broke and I couldn't get a spare. So I had no way of mending it. The cable needed replacing and I couldn't get a black one or the original brown one, so I ended up buying a grey one. And then some weeks later the suppressor decided to give up on me and it went an almighty bang. And I didn't want to use it anymore after that because, I thought it would burst into flames or something. So unfortunately she got scrapped. But look at this. A very similar model to mine, just a year older. I got this from a mate of mine that I've known for quite a while and paid a good price for her. And yes, there were a few issues with her. So as you can see, the bag holder is broken, but it's been bodged with some plastic holder. But that's fine. It's unfortunately, it has been heavily used. It is scratched everywhere. He took the motor out, he greased the bearings, he changed the brushes, he put a brand new belt on for me, he cleaned it, he put it all back together again. Very, very pleased with the results. I've already done an unboxing, but unfortunately I forgot to press record and I messed up basically. But we switched it on and she purrs like a beauty. You guys will find out in a bit. So yes, enough waffle from me. Let's do a demo for you guys. Okay, here we go. YouTubers, thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed. Wow, did you hear the sound of her? What a beautiful, beautiful noise. The beautiful activator doing its job, you know, doing excellent job on the carpet. Picked everything up, sounds brilliant. Just like a U1206 should sound. In fact, I think it sounds better than what mine did, but mine was brand new when I had it, as it had never been used. However, after all the work my mate has put into this, what an excellent job he's done. It purrs like a kitten, it works, it sounds great, and it's done a marvellous job. I am so pleased to own a U1206 again. This time she'll be a permanent fixture in my collection. So yes, I am quite pleased with this. So guys, there we go. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.